Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will be assembling the Sahara Ebike. We will be assembling this beautiful electric vehicle with you. We will now proceed to unbox the e-bike from its original packaging and remove all the protective materials from the frame and bicycle parts. We will remove all its wrapping. For any additional information, please do not hesitate to contact us at 0422028609. Inside this box, you will find the necessary components to begin assembling the electric bicycle, as well as accessories including pedals, a charger, a phone holder, foot rests, a front light, a bottle holder, screws, a manual, and some tools. Next, we will install the front axle or wheel hub. Pay attention to the nut and proceed as follows. We will then continue with the installation of the front wheel by loosening the axle that secures the suspension. Please follow the steps in this video and pay attention to the washer placement when installing the front wheel. Once this is done, ensure that the nut is tightened securely. Next, we will move on to the handlebars. Remove the 4 screws from the stem and place the handlebars in this position, then reinsert the 4 screws. An important step is the installation of the pedals, which are labelled right and left. We will locate the correct pedal for each side and secure them to the cranks accordingly. We will now install the mudguard by removing the screw from the suspension with a 10mm wrench and a 5mm Allen key. Use a 4mm Allen key to unscrew the bolts, place the metal U-stays, and then tighten the screws back in place. Now we will install the front light. First, attach the front light bracket to the front suspension arm. Reconnect the connector and then secure the light by tightening the side screw. Next, we will install the phone holder, which is secured with a single star screw. After this, install the bottle holder by using 4mm Allen key. Now, we will install the footrests on both sides using a 4mm Allen key. Cut the cable ties to remove the rear light from the frame. Now we will install the rear rack. First, loosen the middle screw. Position the rack and then reinsert the screw. Take the extra screws from the box. Insert and tighten the screws for the side rack. Before tightening, pay attention to the cables and ensure that they are not caught or attached to the rack. Tighten all the side screws and the middle screw as well. Install the rear light by placing it on the rack and securing it with the screw. Pay attention to the cable. Position it correctly and use a cable tie to secure it. Finally, we will inflate our tires. Each tire has the manufacturer's specifications marked on it. In this case, we will inflate to 30 psi to have our Ebike ready for adventure. Thank you for watching. Hope this video will help and guide you for the assembling the e-bike. And don't forget to visit our website at avocadoebike.com for more e-bike selection. Please leave a comment and see you for our next video.